for you to meet the expectations that they have for you, like to meet their vision? Or it's different? Well, I know it's different between one and another.
This goes back to the question that someone asked earlier. Directors, leaders, producers, editors, when you're working in any form of storytelling and you have somebody who is guiding that, if they have confidence in their vision, and this goes to anybody, I'm telling you, if you're managing your own business, if you're managing someone else's business, if you're running your own business, whatever it is that you're trying to do, the confidence in vision is so important that then when I'm doing my job as writer, as performer, as Imagineer, if I'm doing it the way that they need it, I can have faith in the process that if they don't say to me, this script really doesn't work, we don't understand what's happening here, or this thing doesn't work that you're doing, can you make an adjustment? I just have to trust that and hope and believe that if they needed to tell me something otherwise that they would, And that's hard for us because we're all insecure and we all are afraid of letting people down and we all want approval, but you gotta let go of that stuff and you gotta just know that you are bringing your best and believe in that and hope and pray that if somebody needs something different from you, they will tell you, and that's not the end of the world.
Thank you, Ryan.